How to walk on the treadmill. Hey, you wait. You wait. He's afraid of the treadmill now, so I have to help him. There we go. Have a treat. Now you gotta hold on and put it slow. Okay, and hold the dog and tell him he's good. What a good dog, Bamboo. What a good dog. His name Bamboo. Bamboo dog. There we go. And give him a treat. Ah, what a good dog. He wants to jump off, but I'll hold him. Oh, he's so good walking on a treadmill, eh? What a good dog. What a good dog. Okay, you stay. No, come on. Get up here. Get up here. That's better. That's better. Here, have a treat. Have a treat. Here, you want to have a treat. That's it. That's it. Okay, wait. Okay. Keep walking. That's a good dog. That's a good dog. There he is. He's walking now. Good exercise. Good exercise for Bamboo. Okay, you stay there. Pilo's next. Pilo, the little white dog, want to walk on the treadmill? Holy. Okay, keep walking. And that's how you start the dog walking on the treadmill.
Keep the treat. Keep the treat in front.
Some treats and stand here so that he can't go off. What a good dog. Okay.